Hey everyone, welcome back to our Excel series. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove duplicate values in Excel. So the first question is, what is duplicacy? If a single data point is appearing multiple times in your data source, that is a duplicacy. And when does this happen? Duplicacy might happen due to multiple reasons. Either you are downloading the data multiple times and either you're downloading the same data multiple times and putting it into a sheet. That might be the reason. The other reason is that there is some kind of fault in your system, and when you are downloading a data, it might replicate a single record multiple times. So that's the issue which we call as a data redundancy or data duplicacy. And how can you check that whether your data set has any duplicates or not? It totally depends upon your exercise. So for example, I'll just show you. I'll create a new sheet here. So for example, suppose this is the first 4 row that I'm copying it, right, and I'm pasting it here. Now I know that I have car name Mazda RX-4, right, and it has a unique attributes. Now suppose there is another row which has Mazda RX-4, right, and its MPG is 23, for example, I'm telling you, or Mazda has cycle 8, right. Now we won't consider these two records as duplicate because the MPG is different, cycle is different, but based on the car name you can see that it's a duplicate, right? Now if you want to remove duplicate, what you have to do? So first you need to select the entire data which you want, from where do you want to remove duplicates. Then you need to go on data tab. You will see this option, remove duplicates, click on it. Now it will ask you based on which column you want to remove duplicate. Now the thing is, if I unselect everything and I select car name and then I remove duplicate, what it will do, it will remove row number 6 because Mazda RX-4 is already present on row 2. Although MPG and cycle is different, but based on car name it's a duplicacy. Now if I select everything, or for example if I select everything, then there is no duplicate because car name is same but MPG and cycle is different, although the other attributes are same. For example, if I'm selecting car name and MPG and then I'm removing the duplicate, then again it will keep Mazda RX-4 in row 2 and Mazda RX-4 in row 6 because the MPG is different, so it won't consider it as the same records. So what do we have to do? Now the scenario is, if you want to remove duplicate based on the car name, solely upon the car name, then you select this entire data, go to data, remove duplicate, click on remove duplicate, unselect all, click on car name and click OK. Now as I told you, Mazda RX-4 is already present in row 2. Solely based upon car name, Excel determined that row number 6 also has Mazda RX-4 and it's a duplicate, so it removed the entire record for it, which is in row number 6, and it's showing us 1 duplicate value found and removed, 4 unique values remain. So I click OK. Now I'll just undo it and I'll show you one thing. Now again I'll select this entire row, okay, and I'm removing duplicate, but now I will be removing duplicate based on car name and MPG. The message is showing no duplicates were found. That is because MPG is different for row number 2 and row number 6 for Mazda RX-400, right? So I'll give you another example. For example, I just copy paste this entire data from row 2 to row 5. I have 4 different cars, right, and I'm copy pasting it as it is. So I copy pasted it 3 times. This means that I have this duplicate records, right? So how you will check there is a duplicate in your record? So I'm just giving you a simple example so that it can be easy for you to understand. In our previous video I have shown you how you can apply filter, right? To apply filter, you will select the record header, then go to data and click on filter, right? Now if I select Mazda RX-4, okay, I can see, okay, these are duplicate. Once I filter it out, I can see that, okay, the records are same. There seems to be a duplicate data, and one record is repeating multiple times. For exact, it's repeating 3 times, right? This is a way you can see that whether your data has duplicacy or not by applying filtration. The other way is that you can use pivot tables to see how many times a car name is appearing in your data, and I'll show you the functionality of pivot in our future videos. But as I have shown you earlier about the filtration, so I'll just use it here to show you how you check whether there is any duplicacy or not. Okay, so now after applying filtration, I can see that, okay, my data has duplicate and I have to remove it. How can I remove it? Earlier I have shown you the way of removing duplicate from this data and clicking on remove duplicate, right? There is another shortcut for doing that. If you don't want to go to data, then click on remove duplicate. If you are as lazy as I am, then what you can do is that you can select this entire data, press Alt, then A and M. It's a shortcut for getting this remove duplicate pop-up. Then you need to unselect everything, click on based on your requirement. You can click on all the columns. You can select all the columns, or you can select 2 or 3 columns based on your requirement, then click on OK, and your duplicate data will be removed, and it will show you a message that how many duplicate values were found and removed. Okay, so we have reached at the end of this video. In our next video I'll show you how to do what if analysis. If you have any question about removing duplicates or our earlier videos, if there is something which confuses you, please drop a comment in our comment box and we'll get back to you. Hey, if you find this video insightful, then do check out other videos and hit the like and subscribe button.